This tutorial we will install, use, and uninstall Driver Booster. Searching for Driver Booster. I'm going to click on Custom. Saying no thank you. Okay, and then you're going to have whatever drivers that it detects. And then I'm clicking cancel for when it asks me to enable the Windows System Restore. So if you have the Pro version, it will download some additional software updates that are needed by lots of various different games. But if you're just using the free version like I am, we're just going to forego getting those. It says they can be downloaded free elsewhere. And we're going to go ahead and reboot the computer. So we've installed our drivers and restarted the machine. The reason I advise we uninstall Driver Booster, if you're running the free version, it will be very naggy and periodically ask you to upgrade. So you can always reinstall at a later date to update your drivers, and then uninstall Driver Booster again. And that should conclude this video. Thank you for watching and sharing with your friends.